In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language to English. It can be from French to English, from Arabic to English, or even from Chinese to English. Let's get started without wasting so much time, because in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time, okay? Click on WhatsApp, then click on the three dots to the top. Then if you can see here, I cannot understand even this language because it's more of, I don't even know the language. Maybe it's Russian or something, I don't know. Now, click on this last text here, then scroll down until you see this button with the global sign. Click on it, then you will see options for English, and by doing that you will easily change your language from any language to English. Okay, let's say our language was in okay, let's say even Italian or even French. It's just basically the same process that apply. Maybe it's from Swahili. Okay, just click on the three dots, then locate the last text, then look for the global sign, click on it, then okay, just a minute, look for the global sign, then click on English. By doing that, you will change your WhatsApp language from any language to English. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.